Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. So, do you need to send money more quickly and securely? Aircash is definitely a fast and easy way to transfer money to friends, family, business. So in this video, I'll show you how to send money on Aircash in just few steps. So let's get started. So basically, you have to set up your account. First, what you have to do is need to download Aircash from Google Play Store or App Play Store, or you can just simply go here and click on this site. Just go and type aircash.eu and just simply open it up. So next what you have to do is open up your app, sign up with your phone number, verify your account with an SMS code which will come on your phone, add a payment method like a credit card, bank account, or Aircash voucher, and that's it. You're ready to send money. So how to send money, which is the main thing we'll be discussing today. So basically open your Aircash app, tap on send money, enter the recipient's phone number here, choose the amount you want to send, pick a payment method like credit card, bank transfer, or Aircash balance, confirm the transaction and tap send. Boom, your money is sent instantly, easy peasy. Next, how to receive money. Receiving money is just as easy. When someone sends you money, you'll just get a simple notification, open the Aircash app, go to transaction, and tap claim money. You can keep it in your Aircash wallet or withdraw it to your bank account, whatever you prefer. So before you start sending, let's talk fees. Transfers between Aircash users are free. Sending to a bank may have a small fee, so there is a daily limit, so check the Aircash app for more details. So Aircash is basically a fast, secure, and easy way to send money, whether you're sending it to friends, family, or even paying for services. It's a great alternative to traditional bank transfers. And with that, I hope this video was helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching.